Holy moly, guys. Are you seeing what I'm seeing right now? The markets are getting completely destroyed, which is what we're going to focus on in this video. We're going to break down the S&P, the Dow, the NASDAQ, the Russell. We'll take a look at the VIX, the metals, oil, what's going on here. Maybe later in the video, we'll break down some stocks. So if y'all find value, hit that like button. Make sure to subscribe. And guys, I mean, look, the markets are getting destroyed today, so you might as well get up to 16 stocks for Moomoo, each up to $2,000 to kind of mitigate that loss. Right? Use that link down below or just go to stocksurfest.com/Moomoo. Get your stocks. We'll talk more about the details later. And with that being said, guys, cheers. Let's dive right into the video. So again, man, the markets are not looking good at all right now. We have all the indexes in the red, and you know when the VIX is up over 11%. You know it's rough out there, right, guys? So let's dive into this and see what's going on. And mind you, it's about 11 a.m. right now on the East Coast, so it's not like the market's just open. We've been trading for about an hour and a half now, and it just keeps on getting worse. So you guys can see here on SPY, we're down about, 1.3%. We have the S&P, or that is the S&P. Geez, guys. The NASDAQ, 1.6% in the red. The Russell's down 1.5%, and we have the Dow Jones, it looks like here, down a little bit over 1%. So everything is down over 1% right now. And again, the VIX is up over 11.5%. And the crazy thing is, guys, look at this. If I pull up SPY again, we can see we actually saw a pump in the morning. We had a bit of a fake out rally, whatever you want to call it. SPY opened up at about, 425, and it ran to about 427. But then again, if we look here, at that time we were maybe not in the green, but we were rallying. But you can see now, with the benefit of hindsight, we put in a lower high at that point, right? You guys can see these lower highs that were made. Yeah, it was not looking good for the bulls when we got rejected there. And you can see it's been downhill pretty much ever since, right? From 426 all the way now down to 421. We're down about 1% from the intraday high on SPY, and Triple Q is down about, from the intraday high around from 361 to about 355. We're down about, 1.5%. So markets are completely collapsing, and what makes it even worse, guys, as we peel the layers back a little bit here, we're taking out the lows on the 5-day chart on Triple Q. Actually, no, maybe that's on SPY. Let me see SPY real quick. Yeah, on SPY, Triple Q is a little bit different. We'll come back to that in a second. SPY's breaking on the 5-day, 5-minute, the lows, 10-day, right, 20-day, you name it. We're taking out the lows time and time again right now, or not time and time again, but we're taking it out, on all these time frames. And here on the 4-hour chart, guys, you can see we've officially, obviously, taken out the lows from a couple of days ago, and now we're down about almost $40 from the recent high on SPY. So from 460 to 421, we're down about 8.5%. We're almost in correction territory, which is pretty insane. And on the 4-hour chart here, guys, we're under both moving averages. Obviously, we have a death cross. Triple Q, it's the same thing, right? We have a death cross here. We're under the moving averages. This is down percentage-wise, about 8.3%. So crazy thing here, guys, is the fact that SPY, which is the S&P, it's down more than the NASDAQ 100 or Triple Q. It's down more than Triple Q over the past couple of weeks. Pretty interesting, or at least it's down more from the recent highs, which in my opinion is it's a bit surprising. I thought Triple Q would be down more. I think, if we have the S&P down 8.5%, you would think that Triple Q would be down over 10%. But no, they're pretty much neck and neck right now, and we have the Russell probably down the most out of all of them. I mean, geez, the Russell, guys, has been getting destroyed. This thing was at 2,000 points back in the beginning of August, about 2 months ago, guys, and now we're pushing low 1700s. In other words, we're down 300 points. In just the past 2 months, we're down about 14%. So this is getting, the worst of it, right? Or the worst of the beating, right, guys? I mean, this is down 14%. It's already in correction territory. Guys, it's almost in a bear market. The Russell is, right? The head and shoulders we played out. And now we're approaching a huge level of support at 1700, 1720. This is a very big spot for the Russell, which if we break 1700, guys, let me just say, we're probably going to be going lower. At that point, we'd be at a 3-year low almost. We might be going down 1550, 1600. That's where we could be going. So what do you guys think? I mean, this is not looking pretty. Russell's at, the lows pretty much. S&P starting to take the lows out from a couple of days ago. It's nowhere near the lows from, March. Let's be honest here. SPY's nowhere near the lows from March. Neither is Triple Q. But who knows, man? This thing could get uglier, if we do continue to slip. And if Triple Q breaks 350, that's where the descending triangle that we're seeing on this 4-hour chart, that's where it could potentially play out. So what do you guys think? Let me know your thoughts in the comments on that. Now, let me pull up the VIX very quickly and show you what's going on here. The VIX is up 11.5%, and now it's right at 20 points. Just like that, guys. The VIX was at 12 a couple of days ago, or not a couple of days ago, but a couple of weeks ago, about 2 weeks ago. Now it's at 20. So fast is how the VIX could move, guys. If we get some selling and some negative catalysts, right? That's how the VIX could move very quickly. Now we're pretty much at a multi-month high, and by the looks of it, man, this wants to go even higher than 20 points. I mean, I wouldn't be surprised if the VIX started going, by the looks of it right now in real time when I'm making the video, if it went 22, 25, low mid-20s, that would not surprise me at all. It definitely looks like that's kind of where, it's headed right now. That's how the momentum's looking. And when it comes to oil, let's see what oil's up to today, guys. Oil is up a little bit, 0.3%. It looks like it's consolidating right around that 180 SMA on the 4-hour chart, which is good here at about $87 a barrel. So I think there could be more upside for sure. I think this is just a little dip in crude oil, to be honest. The uptrend still holding. Let's see if we do get a pop in the mid-high 80s, which right now it looks like we are starting to get that. But let's see if we get the full leg up, which we're not getting that quite yet, but who knows, man? We could be getting that pretty soon, especially if we start cracking back over 90 a barrel, 91 a barrel. Let me actually set my alert there right now at $90 a barrel. Mark is that we're above, and it looks like here we have the metals down a little bit, not much. Silver yesterday got nailed. I'm not sure if you guys saw, silver went down 5% yesterday roughly. Today it's only down 0.25%, but it looks like it is now at the bottom of this channel. So maybe a recovery rally, a relief rally, whatever you want to call it, could be around the corner on silver. We have gold. Let's see here, guys, down about 0.25%, also at the bottom of this channel. Looks like that descending triangle we called out, that ended up playing out. And I think the metals, guys, to be honest, are just way too beaten down. Now gold's down about 12% from the recent highs. Silver's down probably way more than that from the highs a couple months ago. So I think we could be getting a relief rally in the metals. I'm still obviously a metal believer. I'm not a gold bug or anything like that, but I do have gold, and I'm actually thinking about buying more here. I'm not going to lie. I'm thinking about buying maybe a couple of coins. I don't know. We'll see. But, gold's down 12%. Silver's down 20% from recent highs. And, yeah, man, it's just ugly out there today. It's just completely ugly. And, the bulls are nowhere to be found. What do you guys think? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Feel free to hit that like button and to subscribe here on YouTube, guys. It's free. Make sure to follow me on X as well at Stas Talk Stocks. That's also free. And you guys might as well get your stocks from Moomoo. Why not? Use that link down below, or just go to StasSurFest.com/Moomoo. Open up your account and fund it with at least $100. You get 5 stocks right off the bat, and fund it with at least $1,000. You get 10 more stocks, totaling 15 stocks. And by the way, each of those could be valued up to $2,000. And listen to this, guys. Fund your account at least $5,000 for a limited time. On top of those 15 stocks, you also get a free share of either Tesla stock or Google stock, which makes this promo a no-brainer. So what are you waiting for, guys? Use that link down below. And of course, full disclosure, that is an affiliate link. It helps out the channel. I appreciate you guys as always. And with that being said, cheers. I'll catch you guys later.